So you might be trying to figure out how you can make a photo fit on Instagram without cropping or anything like that. Now to give you an example of what I'm talking about, if I made my way over to my Instagram profile here and if I click on, the plus button, if I wanted to post this specific photo, I don't even know what just happened. If I wanted to post that photo that I just, wanted to post, this cactus one, you can see it's not going to post that whole photo. It's going to show a cropped version of that photo. Now, an alternative way we can go ahead and post this photo for this example is by using some other applications. Now, the one I actually use is InstaFit. It's not a bad option, but there's lots of other applications like this that will allow you to kind of adjust and fix and crop and all these other things. So you can download whichever one you want. This one is kind of annoying too, but it's the one that kind of worked for the most part. It's not even that good of an application, but it's a decent option. So you can download InstaFit and you will see this specific pop-up come up. Now what you're going to want to do here is this is basically what the stock photo is going to look like on your Instagram. So what you can do is you can bring in a photo, just like how you bring it in here, you can click photo, and you can also just bring in this photo that we just brought in just like this. So that is the photo that we just brought in. Now, if we want to go ahead and post this photo that as we normally would, this is basically what the full photo looks like. You can adjust this photo however you want to, but that is basically what this full photo is going to look like, is like this. Now, you can keep these white bars around your device if you want to, but at this point, you can change your canvas or change whatever way your phone kind of looks like in these specific examples. So if I want to change my background, I can go and change it to a different color. I can change it to these colors. I'm sure there's some blurring effect like this that I can add. So that's also not a bad option. That's actually doesn't really look that bad. So there's lots of other alternatives that you can post to kind of mess around with your specific background. So now what you're going to want to do, whichever way you decide to kind of choose, the blur one's not that bad, but the pixelated one probably looks the best one out of all of them. So if I were to choose this, well, what I can do is I can go ahead and basically just either save this photo, or I can just screenshot this photo if I really want to. But what I could probably do is just save this photo and export it out. So here I can go and click save and share. And when I click here, it'll allow me to go ahead and save this image. So now that I have this image saved, watch what happens. If I make my way over to my Photos application, I can go ahead and come back out here, and I should be able to see that photo right here. So now what I can do is I can go back into Instagram, and you can see that photo that I originally posted. Well, now look, if I choose this one, it will allow me to post the whole photo. Although it's not perfect, it's not like, an uncropped version. It is an uncropped version. There's some pixelated things. You can change the background however you want to. This will still show the full photo rather than it being just like a little portion of the photo that was originally shown. So that's basically how it's done. It's very, very basic. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.